This is called a spekkoek. It's a Dutch Indonesian cake. It's really beautiful. It's filled with flavors of spice, lots of coffee, and it's just a beautiful cake. It takes a lot of work, a lot of time, but best things in life ask for a little bit of effort and time. I've seen this made the first time in Amsterdam at a factory. Is it falling? No, it's not. Basically, ladies had to sit in a long row, and then these pans comes by them, and each one puts a spoon of vanilla batter. It bakes, they take it out, chocolate batter, and as it goes on the conveyor belt, at the end, this beautiful work of magic waits for you. I don't have a lot of conveyor belts in my house, but I promise you, it's worth every minute. Sit in front of the oven and bake this cake, layer for layer. A cup of batter in a pan, bake it for 5 to 4 minutes, take it out, next batter. Continuous process until the pan is filled and the batter is complete. Dense cake with lots of butter flavors. You can have it for breakfast, a lashing of butter. Life is beautiful, indeed. Make this cake, impress your friends, a good cup of coffee and a friend who gossips about you. What more do you want?